Gina Amoncio, and I work here in MCOR Manolo for Teach. My first working background, I was working at Imperial Appliance Plaza, and when I heard about good opportunities here in MCOR, I transferred, and now I am in 8 years in service up to now and counting.
What do you do sales and what
What drew me to sales? Actually, my first course was teacher education. But I transferred to BSBA because I think na masayon. So, ako kabalo, nga inig manarbaho na daig ko sales dahil na siya padulong. So, first yun na akong trabaho sa MCOR is cashier. And then, I saw nga mas bibo ang sales. So, nagka-share ko accounting and then I transferred to sales. Kay mas bibo ang sales. So, dito na dayon sa pagsunod.
identify and meet the needs of potential customer, ma'am?
The needs of the potential customers. Of course, we all know that when a person or someone who will come in our store, they have lagi na sila ipangita or gusto ko haon kay nanganha man sila sa isa ka store. So, right there and then, pag abot sa store, you have to greet them good morning, show them the courtesy. Mao gid na ang amo ang kuan sa MCOR. We have our creeds there. So, first yun, pag sa customer, you have to greet them and show the smile that you wear. And then, you have to ask the customer, say ato ama, sa imong need ma, gusto ko og TV. So, you have to answer or serve the customer or ask them and help them on the products that they are going to purchase. That's it.
Give an example of a successful sales strategy you've used, ma'am.
Strategy that we have as an institution, MCOR. Number one is by knowing what the customer needs and then assisting them. And then you have to, once the customer already has the product, you always have to see to it the after sales. It's not only about makahalinta. We also have to bear in mind that when the unit, kung sa may tabo, we always have to be ready. We as an employee and of course our company, na mubalik din ang customer sa ato. It's about customer service to the customers.
What common challenges do you face in sales and how do you address them?
Any challenges, it's not only about our quota, we have our monthly quota. Number one challenges, ang ating mga kauban, we have to deal the different attitude sa ating mga kauban, different attitude of the customers, the environment, nakalingong ulan, sa pailain, mga problema, managhan ka ayong problema sa sales. Ang ato lang yung hunahon is, number one man yun, one sales ka, mita gitong halin. So, pag itaghalin, daghan kay mga challenges, pero ang imo yung hunahon nga how to overcome the challenges. Okay, once through tagaan ka yung challenges, initiative na ginanimo nga imo gyud nang i-handle ng kana nga challenges. So, once imo na ma-handle, basin pag unsa na nga challenges mo abot, imo ra na ma-overcome.
How do you handle rejection or difficult client interaction, ma'am?
To handle rejections, you always have to smile. Imo siyang, ma'am, you have to talk to them in a proper way. Be humble and all, ang imong tone sa imong tingog, you have to lower down. Na dapat ma-feel pud nila nga kuan ka kanang tawag na peace nakasa kuan bitaw maayo ka kapag istorya once inam gina nakatry gid niya na ang naging customer masuko so ang ikaw pud nga masuko so mag ana gid mo ha so ikaw nga naka sa sales suko kay to siya imo gid nang i-calm down ma'am dirita ma'am lingkod to siya ma'am kasi mo problema ma'am ana ato nang iso okay once masuko pud ka so magagubot gid mong duha so ana lang ang ako lang kuan is kung naay problema, ang always magiging nga problema sa sales ay mag-customer mas ako na ang imong buhaton is imo siya lingkod diri ma'am, i-explain niya ang side, you have to listen kung sa iyang problema, and then that's the time nga imo dayon ikon og solution kung sa iyang problema.
Challenging experience in your sales career and what key lesson you learned from that experience?
One challenge as a salesperson, how to handle the customers, and also challenge is to how to kuan how sa mo pagkakota. So since natin monthly quota, so kami sa sales namang ginabuhat diri every month lahi mong ginagkota. So first week pa lang daan mangita na ni og way how are we going to achieve our sales quota. Number one for that is ang live selling, Facebook posting, makabantay mo sa mga live selling ni diri ana, so pwede mo mag-follow gyapon sa among page. And then ana lang ang number one mangyud nga kuan is ang how to handle customers mangyud nga mobalik sila sa ato. That's it.
What is the most valuable lesson you've learned in your sales career?
The most valuable lesson that I've learned in my sales career is that being humble, being calm, and then being open-minded, and also be positive. Kay every day di ka kabalo sa may tabuan ng adlaw. So we have to set our minds in the morning nga dapat good vibes ta para ang sulod pud sa ato is good vibes gyapon.
Skills or traits are essential for success in sales?
Same answer. So, always be optimistic in life. Be humble every time. And then, in sales man gyud, you have to always wear your smile regardless nga nasuko na kay sa iyaha or nahiubos ba ka sa iyaha. Always keeps, adi man ingon nga magkatawa-katawa ka, but always be kuan. Smile lang gihapon bisag yes ma'am, suko na kay ka. Yes ma'am, say ato ma'am, ana. Ato siya.
How should aspiring salespeople prepare for a career in this field?
If you want to join into sales team, be a salesperson, you have to always bear in mind that you have to be positive. You have open-minded mindset para in every ways tanan mo nga negative na siya, you have to find another ways nga medyo morag ma-calm ang situation, and to be a salesperson in this field, you have to remember nga always kita na ay quota. Since sales ta, mangitaan kita og sales goal. And then, actually sales is not pressure. Sales is very enjoyable. So, dili ta ingon nga sales lady ta or ana. We have kung enjoy ka siya, you can interact different kinds of person. Makabalo ka, uy, nadaingon ani nga tao, nadaingon ato nga tao. So daghan kag ma-interact, and then daghan kag maamigo, maamiga, daghan kag makaila. It's not always only about isa lang katao. You can also have a good sales to institutional, government, and so daghan kag ma-explore. And unsa pa another is ma-boost ang imong confidence pag naa ka sa sales. Ulawon ka, mo abot ang time nga, uy, makuha na dahi siya, kanang kabalo na kang istorya sa mga tao, ano bitaw. Dayon, ang imong pagkamaulawon, murag ma-convert into with confidence na dayon ka. Daghan kang maamiga, daghan kang makaila, tingala na lang ka mo adto ka merkado, pang ingon nagka hi ma'am, nagkita din mo sa MCore nga na bitaw. So that's the advantage of being a salesperson.